So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue if the Hibernate mode is missing from your Windows the power menus. Now here, in order to fix that, simply open the control panel. You can easily find it right there. Simply open control panel, and here in this control panel, select this option of small icons right there. Then click on this option of power options right there, and here once you're in there, click on this option of choose what the power button does. Now here, click on this option of change settings that are currently unavailable. Click over there, and here you'll see this option of Hibernate. Just simply check mark it, and once you do it, you can see now it will show in the power menu. If I can show you the power menu right there, click over there, and you will find the if I hit once apply save changes, and now if I simply go to the power menu, I can find the Hibernate mode right there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.